In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my absolute favorite evening routine, which includes 9 essential habits to help you fall asleep quickly at night. So if you've ever struggled to fall asleep at night for any reason, I know that I have on many occasions in the past, this video is for you. So number 1 on my list is to eliminate meaningless media. So I will pick up my phone a minimum of 1 to 2 hours before bed. I'll put it in airplane mode and then I will silence the notifications. I will also turn off my computer, my TV if it's on. I won't touch them. And there's a specific reason for this. We are in high beta brainwave states for most of the day. When you're scrolling on your phone, your eyes are moving quickly and your mind is following suit. So we want to minimize that at night. We want to move into alpha and theta and eventually delta. So if you turn off your phone, this helps tremendously with that process. So I know you're probably thinking, okay, Phoenix, so I turn off my phone. Now what the heck am I going to do for the next hour? I understand, but there's a lot you can do. And this leads us into the second habit on the list, and that's to pick out your clothes for the next day. Once you do this, it takes maybe 5 minutes. You've saved yourself a lot of time and energy the next morning. You're conserving energy in a way and being productive at night. Number 3 on the list is taking some time to journal. Now I have a planner, it's called a Power Place. You can find this on Amazon. I will link to it in the description. This is amazing. I really can't recommend it enough. But there's a section in it for notes, ideas at the end of each day. And what I will do is I will take 5 minutes and write what I'm grateful for. Could be anything at all. And then I'll take another 5 minutes and write what I praise myself for. So it could be as simple as I praise myself for cleaning the kitchen or being patient with the children, whatever it is. And then from there, if I have some extra time or the inclination, I will write what worked today and what didn't work today. This is a perfect opportunity for self-reflection. And as we all know, self-reflection leads to growth. So after this, what I will do, the next habit is I will plan for my day ahead. Now, I may not plan it out completely, but let's say there's a few tasks that I didn't get to the day before. They're not checked off here. So I will take them and I will simply transfer them to the next day. And then I may think, okay, this is something I would like to achieve tomorrow. I will write out a basic list and then I may go back and fill it in later. But again, I'm saving myself time and energy tomorrow. Once I finish writing in my journal, I will put it aside and I will pick up something very light and easy to digest to read. It's something that is very inspiring and positive. It could be Thich Nhat Hanh, it could be Deepak Chopra, it could be a collection of poetry, or maybe some positive affirmations. Something that gets me in a calm, expanded mindset. And then maybe about a half an hour before I'd like to ideally be asleep, I will unplug everything in my room so that it is pitch black and turn off all the electromagnetic frequencies around me. And the reason for this is so that I'm not interfering with my own body's circadian rhythms. Once I do that, I will lay in my bed and I will start to relax, consciously relax. I will start with at least 3 deep breaths in through the nose and then sighing out through the mouth and just really letting the whole body relax each time that I do this. Once I feel like I'm in a state of complete relaxation, I will take some time to do a body scan. I will focus on different areas of my body and breathe my awareness into these areas, or I may take some time to visualize myself being in a very peaceful setting in nature or around some friends and family, something that is helping me to calm down, to feel more at ease. After the body scan, I will start to visualize what my day is going to look like tomorrow. Ideally, who would I be around? What would I be doing? How would I feel? And I'll start to relax more and more. My brain waves will slow down more and more. And then from there, I will set an inner alarm. I will say to myself, okay, Phoenix, you're going to wake up at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. I will see these numbers in my mind. I will feel them. After that, this is the final step just before sleep, and I'm adding this in here because it's very helpful. I will ask a very specific question to the universe. So say it's a certain challenge that I have been dealing with, or I'm seeking clarity on a certain situation. I will ask a question mentally, and I will trust completely that I'm going to receive a response in the dream world in some form or another. And this is really beneficial because we're making use of that time after sleep to gain even more wisdom. So when taken together, these 9 habits are very powerful, and I would urge you to try it for a minimum of 2 weeks and really see the results. You'll notice how it affects not just before you fall asleep, but the quality of your sleep and how you feel the next morning. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me some feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear if you have specific habits or techniques that you like to use to fall asleep at night. Please share. And again, my name is Phoenix, and I help people to transform their consciousness. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Much love to you.